Yo, what's up, Bali? I'm in Legian today, just at the front of the Legian gate. Gate number 2, Padma actually, Padma gate. Uh, no singing guy today. I mean, he was there sing already when I pay for his parking. Erika is on the other side. Today I'm heading into the direction of Kuta. Basically wanna show you the rest of the Legian. This is the Bali Mandira and Azul at the front, and I'm gonna head slowly to the direction of the beach walk. We will see how's the life in that part of Kuta Legian, because long time I didn't show you actually this specific part. Also here seems like this part of Legian Padma, it's totally dirt. I mean, the gates are not barricaded, but every business around here is quiet or not exist even. Even these hotels here, or I don't know, was the hotel or restaurant, something like that, and the warungs on the beach. No, only the Bakso guy, he never give up. But after that, very quiet here. Legian Beach Hotel, we are open, beachfront oasis. Well, they are open definitely, but seems like nobody is in the warung. Heading into the border between Kuta and Legian. There is the main gate at the front. Alright, ladies and gents, this is the Legian beach gate, main gate, and also interesting fact that here there is no CIA scanning up to enter here, which is a big improvement, and it's actually already more busier. And this is the main street, one-way road heading to Kuta and to the famous Kuta gate, which is at the front. However, yeah, it's quite busy. Actually, Legian Beach gate in the full shape looks like this. I'm surprised there's no QR code here. Well, that's good actually, very good. And also the small entrances to the beach, like this one, they are not barricaded. No Berlin Wall here, which is also good. And some warungs, let's say they are open, partially. Entrance to the Pullman Hotel at the front. Hotel is open, and even the restaurant here at the front is also open, seems like. So that's how it looks, the life in this part of Legian. This is still Legian, and this is the beach at the front of the Stones Hotel in Legian still, and seems like definitely much more alive. Hello. Seems like here in this certain point the life come back to any sort of new normal. There's so many local minibuses with transport and local kids around. Actually, yo, what's up? As you see, ooh, very busy here. Wow, actually quite hard for me to pass this street path here. So many local kids. Stuff looks like this. Oh well, surprise, but that's good. I mean, that's good. This is the front of the Stones Hotel. So many buses are here. Actually, I wanna show you. Yeah, this is the front of the Stones Hotel. Yeah, the life looks like this. Business is coming. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Just quick shot for the. Yes, thank you. Welcome to Bali. Yeah. You got very good, yeah. Big money today, yeah.
Only 4 million. This 4 million, brother.
4 million.
4 million.
Okay.
4 million American.
Okay. Take care, my friend. Okay.
Thank you.
Take care. Good luck. The Stones. But the vibes are amazing as always. This is Kuta Legian vibes. But here at the front, because of probably at the front of the Stones Hotel, there is actually the scanning CIA app. Anyway, the happy guys, and like I said already once, long time ago, Bali and Kuta vibes never dies. That was the titles of the videos long time ago, and that's confirmed. Okay, so just outside the Windham Garden, there is the big hotel construction, some city hotel in Kuta actually, let's say oceanfront. That looks like a construction of something, and here is the Mamaka Hotel, which this hotel was a long time ago, probably when you still remember. And if I don't mistaken, that was the Cittadines Hotel here, but they refurbished and changed the name into Mamaka. Yeah, but I cannot say anything else about this hotel because I never been there inside, and was closed since they refurbished actually. So yeah, that's how it looks like, and here little bit of the local life. Here is the 69 bar, and more closer to the beach walk, more busier it is. So that's actually what is very expectable here, and we will see. Yeah, that's how it looks like approaching the beach walk area, and it's actually already quite busier, and so many motorbikes here as always, and people on the left, on the right. I'm walking here on the middle of the parking. I hope so nobody gonna drive into me, but this is actually a nice shot to show you because that's the little bit different perspective than walking from the beach side. And looks like this. This is the entrance to the Beach Walk Mall already. Guy working very hard. Hello. And yeah, that's how it looks like. Beach walk situation, facing little bit of the mall, little bit of the parking area, and little bit of the people who are chilling at the beach side. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the beach. That's longer shot without editing. I'm just very curious. How does it? Eating some sort of thingy. This is the mall, and here is the entrance to the beach. And the beach entrance is also open, not wall here for some reason, and no code CIA. That's good. And let's look the quick shot on the beach. Some rooms are open even. Beautiful sunset gonna be very soon, and people selling. Yo, what's up? How you doing? Yes. So it looks like life today in Kuta Beach. Here is some food vendor business, motorbikes, and the general traffic at the front of the Beach Walk Mall. Yeah, definitely much more busier than previous times, but still not that super busy as we could expect actually. People strolling around. Okay, so that's how it looks, the situation in Kuta Legian today. Previously I showed you a lot from the parking area and beach area. This is the Beach Walk Mall. Obviously here must be busy. If it's obviously already open, it must be some people here. Anyway, mostly local, of course. That's nothing has changed. I'm gonna go to there is on the other side of the mall, there is the grab point. I need to grab some taxi because obviously super hot in Bali nowadays, and I don't feel like, after walking too much in the sun, in the heat, I don't feel like very well. And tomorrow with Winnie we are going somewhere deep inside the island, so will be tomorrow also interesting vlog. I need to be also in the good shape. Long way, a lot of things to do tomorrow, so I think I will finish today's vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I hope so you enjoyed. Comment below, what do you think, what do you miss from this area and stuff like this. And as always, see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.